Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find the toggle, which for me, there it is. So I found it. Do Not Disturb mode, so it's right as the last icon on the first page. Now the position of it may vary, keep that in mind. But once you find it, you want to hold it. This will take us to the settings where we can customize. So number one, at the very top, we have the turn on. So this is basically equivalent of tapping on the toggle itself, as you can see now. And then below that we have the turn on as scheduled. So in here you can set up a schedule. As you can see, there is one created by default, so Monday, basically all day or all week long. That starts at 10 and finishes at 7 AM. So you can enable that one, or you can tap on the plus and set your own, disable days of the weeks that you basically want it to work normally. Then set a time, start time and end time, and simply save it. Now apart from that, we also have the duration. Now this is whenever you tap on the toggle right here, it can set it, for instance, to be asked every time. So every time you press on it, it will bring up a window asking you until you turn off, or for 1 hour, or multiple. So you can set it up, or simply set it to be static like so, and by choosing one of these. I believe the ask every time is the best option right here, so let's select that. And hide notifications, so this is just a notification options for Do Not Disturb mode. If you want to hide all, you can basically hide them all. If you don't want to hide all of them, you can disable the ones that you want to see. And then allow exceptions, so this is the part that will give us the most control. So you have calls from, allow calls from none. You can set also to allow from everyone, which defeats the purpose of Do Not Disturb mode. Contacts only and favorite contacts. And also, even though, for instance, you have set it to none, you still have the option for repeated callers. So if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, the second time around they will be able to reach you because of this option. Now this is a good option for emergencies, because usually people call quite frequently. So even though you would have Do Not Disturb mode, they would still be able to reach you with this. Then we have messages, same as calls, all contacts, favorites, and none. And then some additional things like alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, calendar events, and reminders. So if you want to allow or accept some of them during the Do Not Disturb mode, you can simply toggle them on, and then they will be visible. So right now with the setting, alarms, media, and touch sounds will still play during the Do Not Disturb mode. And once that's set, you can basically leave this mode and forget about the settings here. And simply you can either toggle it on or off whenever you want, or if you have set a schedule, then well, you don't really need to do anything. It will be turning on and off automatically on its own. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.